Every time you mop, you dunk it in that dirty slop. You're mopping with filthy water, so your floors are never really clean. You can't see the germs, but using a black light, you can truly see what's lurking on your floors.
Introducing the Whistle Mop,
A floor cleaning system that mops with clean water for healthier floors. Look at that dirty mop.
Ugh. Now let's get ready for some magic.
This is the mop that cleans and preps itself, so it's super clean. No more filthy mop heads.
You'll always mop with fresh, clean water for floors that are as clean as a whistle.
Just fill the tank with detergent and water, then lock it into the bucket with the clear lid on top. Look closer. There's the freshwater tank. Now watch as the dirty mop water spins to the outside bucket, so the clean and the dirty water never mix.
You can wring out other mops and they're still dirty. But with the Whistle Mop,
Jet streams of fresh water thoroughly rinse the mop, while high-performance brushes pull the dirt and debris into the dirty water reservoir. These clean brush swirls mean it's ready for action. It quickly cleans up sticky juice, muddy footprints, even crayons and markers.
Watch, this black light reveals the kinds of bacteria other mops are spreading.
With the Whistle Mop, you can clean healthier and more effectively, since the icky stuff that goes in stays in. It even features a dual-edged surface that hugs the baseboard, so you don't have to.
Hate picking hair out?
not a problem with Whistle Mop. Just put it in, give it a spin, not a strand in sight.
Plus, the pads are washable and reusable. Now your floors can be cleaner than ever. This mop goes in dirty, rinses, and preps itself, then comes out clean as a whistle for floors that sparkle.
Call Global Shop Direct or go online now to get Whistle Mop for this low price. And check out our 5 easy monthly payments. You'll get a microfiber mop pad and self-cleaning bucket, so you'll always mop with fresh, clean water. And it comes with Global Shop Direct's 30-day money-back guarantee for floors that are as clean as a whistle. Order the Whistle Mop floor cleaning system from Global Shop Direct today.